Malayattoor is a village in Aluva Taluk. It is situated around 15 kilometers north-east of Angamali in Ernakulam district in the state of Kerala in South India. Cochin International Airport is about 18 kilometers from Malayattoor. This is one of the famous pilgrim centers in Kerala. Malayattoor is located on the slopes of the picturesque Western Ghats girdled partially by the Periyar River. The name Malayattoor is an amalgamation of three small words, Mala in Malayalam which means mountain, Ar in Malayalam which means river, Uru in Malayalam which means place. This is to say, Malayattoor is a meeting place of mountain, river and land. It is also the largest pilgrim center in the name of St. Thomas in India. It is the first pilgrim center in India to be accorded as one of the 8 international shrines in the world by Vatican. Thousands of pilgrims of all castes and creed undertake the pilgrimage to St. Thomas Church, located on top of the hillock during the annual festival held in March or April, 8 days after Easter. The church is associated with the evangelization activity of St. Thomas the Apostle of Jesus Christ in Kerala. He is believed to have set foot at Kodungalur in AD 52 and founded the famous 7 churches and brought Christianity to Kerala. Believed that on his way to Malayattoor, he stopped at Malayattoor. There are 2 churches in Malayattoor dedicated to St. Thomas. One on top of the hillock was built in 1893 and the other below was built in AD 900. Kurishumudi is located 2 kilometers south from church below. The church on top at 1269 feet above sea level and can be reached only on foot. The distance from the foot to the top of the Kurishumudi is around 2.5 kilometers to 3 kilometers and takes around 1 hour to 1.5 hours to climb. Traditional festivals like Christmas and Onam are celebrated here with great enthusiasm. Also, New Year is celebrated with great pomp and show. Malayattoor has always been famous for its natural riches, with the hilly area forming the perfect backdrop for all who seek solace and spiritual salvation. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.